Good morning, students. How are you? Today we will discuss an important topic, that is decimal. So, what is decimal? It is simply a point that lies within the number. For example, 2.3, 3.72. This point is called decimal. Is that clear? Now we will move to the exercise 2.5. Okay, this is the revision exercise of what you have studied in class 6th. We will see some questions and try to complete this exercise today in the online activity class. The first type of question is, which is greater? What is the first type of question? Which is greater? It is given 3.7 or 7.2. Which is greater? So you can simply, if the decimal point is before one number, you can see and say which one is greater. How? The number before decimal and check whether which one is greater. So here 7.2 is greater than 3.7. What if decimal points vary? For example, 3.6 or 4.27. How we will check now? So for that, what you will do, you will just convert it into fraction and then convert it into like fraction. So what it will become 360 by 10 and this is 427 by 100. Which one is greater? 4.27 is greater than 3.6. In this way we can check which one is greater. Now the next question is rupees and 20 paise. You have to convert it into rupee. How you will convert? So you convert this into rupee and then we will add it with this rupee. So we know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Okay, we can write 100 paise is equals to 1 rupee. Then we can write 1 paise is equals to 1 by 100. Then we will write 20 paise is equals to 20 by 100, or we can write it as 0.2. Okay, this is rupee. And according to question, we will add it. Rupees 4 plus rupees 0.2. We will get rupees 4.2 as the answer. The same way you have to do the question number 2. I've given millimeter. This is the question. Okay, you have to convert it first centimeter, then meter, then kilometer. How you will convert? You have studied this in class 6. For in order to convert, first you will convert it into this, then from that answer you will convert into this, from that answer you will convert into this. Okay, so see how we will do. First, what we know, 1 millimeter equals to how many centimeter? Okay, don't know. Then we can write 1 centimeter equals to how many meter? 10. This you know. Then 10 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter. Then 1 millimeter equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. Then 35 millimeter equals to 35 by 10 equals to 3.5 centimeter. Now we will use this unit to convert into meter. We know that 1 meter equals to, what we know, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100. So 3.5 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 into 3.5. That is 3.5 into 100. Now how we will convert it here? See, how many zeros are there? 2. You have to put decimal before 2 places, but already 1 decimal is present here. So we will add 1 0. Okay, it will become the meter. Then we will proceed to find in kilometer. So what we will get? 1000 meters equals to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Then 0.035 meter equals to 1 by 1000 into 0.035. 0.035. What we will get? 0.035 by 1000. Then we will put 3 zeros like this, 0.0000035. There's already 3 decimals are there. You have to put for 3 places. We will put 30 and this will become the kilometer. Got it? Any issue? So the next type question is to find the expanded form. In order to find the expanded form, we will write in this way. 7 in the unit place, then 7, then plus sign, then 2 will be written divided by 10 because it is 1 by 10th place, and it's the same way 5 by 100. Now in order to find the place value of 2, you will write 2 by 10 and 5 by 100. This is the place value and this is the expanded form. Got it? This type of question is there 3 and 4. Sorry, 4 and 5. Now here are some word problems which you will read and you are able to do it. So I will not write the question, I will write the solution. Okay? A person called Dinesh covers the distance from A to B and B to C, and a person called Ayub covers the distance from A to D and D to C. See, here is the figure, and the distance of each sides is given from A to B. What is the distance? B to C, what is the distance? And C to D, what is the distance? And D to A, what is the distance? So we have to find who traveled more and by how much. For that, what we will do, we will add all the distance separately and then check who traveled more. In order to find how much more, we will subtract it. See, for what we have to do, we have to write first statement. See how we will write the statement. Distance covered by your distance between A and B. We will write. Then we will write distance between C and D. How much the distance between A and B? It is given as 7.5 kilometer. So we will write 7.5 kilometer. Then B to C, it is given 12.3 kilometer. 12.7 kilometer, sorry. And C to D, it is given 11.8 kilometer. And A to D, 9.9 yes, 3 kilometer. So we will write the distance here. Then we will write the first statement, distance between A and B is equals to 7.5 kilometer. Same way we will write distance between C and D. What will be the distance? Yes, it will be C and B 12.7 kilometer. So we will add total distance covered by Dinesh. How much we will get? We will get as 20 point. Yes, 20.2 we will get. So student, this is the distance covered by Dinesh. Now we will move to second part and find the distance of Ayub. In this what we will do? We will just change the place, like distance between A and D and distance between D and C. A and D is 19.3 and distance between C and D is 11.8. Then we will add it. How much distance traveled by Ayub? We will get 21.1. Then we can check that Ayub traveled more distance by Dinesh. So we will find how much he has traveled more. For that we will subtract 20.2 minus 21.1 minus 20.2. We will get 0.0, yes, 0.009 kilometer. So we can say that this Ayub traveled 0.09 kilometer more than Dinesh. Have you got it? So in this way we have to do the second question. Now we will move to the last question, that is the conversion, which you can do by yourself. You have to simply subtract in it. So in this way you have to complete exercise 2.5. Now if you have any issue, any query, any problem in the solving the question, you can ask me. And that's all for today. Thank